Hello friends, good morning. Today I am going to tell you about the optical fiber sensors. Now first of all we should know what is optical fiber. Do you know what is optical fiber? Optical fiber is a thin conduit as thin as human hair which is made up of glass or plastic and used to carry the light energy from one end of the fiber to the another end. In earlier decade, the data was carried out by the copper wires. Nowadays, they are replaced by the optical fiber. It is a thin fiber made up of glass and carry the light energy. That's why it is called the optical fiber. Now, what is optical fiber? How it is constructed? It is made up of three regions. This is the cross section view of the optical fiber. The innermost region is called the core, having refractive index N1. Then the next region which is covering the core is the having the refractive index N2, where the relation is N1 must be greater than that of the N2, so that light energy must confine to the core of the fiber. And the last region which is covering the both core and cladding region is called jacket. Of course, by its name, it is used for protection of the optical fiber as it is delicate, having the micro size of long length, are running from one region to the another to carry the data. So, this optical fiber in this way is constructed and used in various fields. Now, which fields they are used? There are vast applications of optical fiber. So, the most important application as near to the human being is the medical field. In the medical field, the endoscopy is used, and that endoscopy can be done with the optical fiber. The bloodless and stitchless operations with the help of lasers, the optical fiber is used to carry the laser light. Because it is a light carrying unit. Because of these applications, the optical fiber has very much importance. Now, besides the medical applications, the optical fiber are used in modern warfare, in various electronic equipments, in various electronic entertainment applications for carrying the data or the communication purpose. So, in this way, the last but not the least, that optical fiber are used as a number of sensors, out of which I am telling you here about some type of sensors made by the optical fiber. So, first of all, we see the temperature sensor. It is nothing but a thermometer. It measures the temperature in the range between 80 to 100 degrees centigrade. Now, the optical fiber is used here along its length, from its one end to the another end. This one end of the fiber is called the launching end, and the second end is called the receiving end. It can carry only the light energy. So, source of light used is the LED source. So, this light is coming from the LED, which is entering into the optical fiber at its one end. It will follow the zigzag path by following the total internal reflection, which is the principle on the basis of which optical fiber works. And core of it is having the refractive index N1, which is greater than that of the cladding having refractive index N2. Now, this light energy is coming out from the receiving end, and how much light amount is there can be measured by the photodetector here. We see that when the optical fiber is kept in the hot region, there is a difference between the Ri of the core and cladding happening. And because of the difference between the Ri of the core and cladding is there must be the reduction in the intensity of the light at the output end. And here, the calibration curve gives you the use of optical fiber as a temperature measurement or the thermometer. In this way, it is used as a thermometer or temperature sensor. It is used in the industry, it is used in the factory, workshops, hospitals, etc. etc. Now, after this temperature sensor, we can see again the optical fiber can be used as a liquid level sensor. Now, what is liquid level sensor? When the huge petroleum tanks, huge oil tanks are filled, there must not be the overflow of the precious liquid. So, the optical fiber is used here to measure the liquid level. Now the construction is before you. Here there is a liquid container which is filling from the bottom to top. LED again is a source of light used here at the input end of the optical fiber. This is optical fiber loop, and at the another end there is a photo detector. Now see here that the loop of the optical fiber is kept here in the container with the core which is scrapped, and that is called the bare core. Because of the bare core, cladding is absent. When the liquid is filling up here from bottom to the top or to the maximum capacity of the container, once the maximum level is reached, that liquid will touch the core. And when it touches the core, again the difference between Ri is produced. And because of that, this proportionality has been changed, and we will get the reduction in the intensity of the light coming at its output. So again there is a calibration of liquid level on the one axis and intensity of the light on the another axis. So in this way we can get sense that the container is filled and the overflow is avoided for this liquid. So these are used in the highways when all big petroleum tanks are filled by the oil, liquid, diesel, petrol, and other petroleum liquids. So in this way, the liquid level sensor is very much useful in the field. Now, after this liquid level sensor, we will see the third one, that is pollution detector. Now, what is the use of this pollution detector? Pollution detector means it will give you the percentage of smoke in the air which is present. So, when the smoke is there in the air, where the optical fiber is kept along its length again, similarly, and the light is entering from the source of light to the optical fiber, we'll see that because of the obstacle in the path of the light, we will get the less intensity here at the output end of the optical fiber. So due to the dust particle, due to the carbon dioxide, due to the various smokes present in the air, the intensity of the optical fiber or intensity of the light coming from the optical fiber is reduced, which can be measured here by the photodetector. And that percentage of intensity reduction will give you the percentage of smoke present in the air. So, in all the three sensors, you can observe here that the intensity of the light reduction is happening. And that is only the logic to understand the optical fiber sensors. So, this is also used in the environmental observations, pollution detector, and the smoke detector, or it is also called the smoke detector sensor made by the optical fiber. So in this way, all these sensors are very much useful for us, and you can see here that the optical fiber in this way It is a small, thin, light carrying unit which is useful in various fields which are very near to us. So, thank you very much for patience listening. Thank you so much.